What's good, my friends? In today's video we're going to be talking about the 5-step process of how you can start making more sales online. Now, my name is Maximilian Schneider. This is the Freedom Lifestyle channel designed to give you the tools, the skills and the mindset for you to start making money online. Whether you want to start a side hustle, whether you want to start an online business or simply move yourself towards life financial independence, then you definitely want to subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. But as always, I'm not going to waste your time, so we're going to jump right into it. So what is the 5-step process for you to start making more sales online? The first step is you get really clear on your ideal customer. So what kind of Facebook groups are they hanging out with? What kind of pages do they like? What do they do? What are their interests? So get really clear on your ideal customer. Because if we're looking at things like traffic and where the traffic is coming from, the only way for you to get good at the paid methods is if you understand your ideal customer, what they like, what they do, what are their interests. So the second step is to create an irresistible offer for that ideal customer. So think about what are the pain points that they have and create an offer that solves it for them. And then start putting this offer in front of your ideal customer, in front of your prospects. And if you have your ideal customer with an irresistible offer, you're already so much closer to making a sale online. And the third step is you gotta drive traffic. The two main traffic sources that you have are organic traffic and paid traffic. Now, organic traffic is something like Facebook groups, pages that they like. Start interacting with them. You can build a brand so people start interacting with you. You can have your own Facebook group, so it's organic traffic. The other kind of traffic that you can have is paid traffic. So I'm talking about Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads. So you gotta understand your ideal customer, create an irresistible offer for them and put that offer in front of them through driving traffic from your ideal customer towards that irresistible offer. Now, the fourth step. Once you have shown your irresistible offer to your ideal customer and drove traffic to your irresistible offer, you gotta have a high converting sales funnel. Because just having an irresistible offer doesn't actually get your customer, your prospect to buy your product or your service. So you gotta have a high converting sales funnel with good copywriting. Maybe a video sales letter that really lays out the benefits for your customer, the solution that you're solving, driving deep into the pain point that you're solving. And this can be done through different kind of softwares. The software that I generally like to use is ClickFunnels. If you want to get that software or give it a shot, they have a 14-day trial. Just click the link below. And the fifth step, and it's so crucial and so many people don't do that, the money is made in the follow-up. So follow up with your prospects, with your potential clients, talk to them, interact with them. If you have captured their leads, and you should always capture their leads, so their email address, and then send them an email, another email, give them value, talk to them and figure out their pain points even more, get into a conversation, follow up and then pitch them again. Because if you truly believe in a product and a service and the pain points that you're solving, not following up with them is actually giving them a disservice. Because they don't understand yet that you could actually solve their pain point and make their life so much better. So it's on you to make them understand and get them to the point that they're willing to invest. And yes, I'm saying invest, not pay you to do it, because it's an investment. As a salesperson, when you're on the call or you're interacting with them, you will never want to refer to paying you. It's always investment for them, so they are investing in themselves by buying your product or your service. Got it? Good. I hope that helped you out. As always, if you have any questions or topics you want me to cover in the near future, leave it in the comments. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. Much love. Peace.